What's up, guys? How's it going? It's Monday again, which means another build update. We got a little more than 2 weeks till Bimmerfest, and we got some massive things done to the car. We got the engine finally in, engine transmission with a somewhat like OEM clutch and the RHD flywheel. Right now I'm test fitting the Mishimoto radiator and CA tuned coolant hoses. The AC is deleted in the car, so I will be modifying the cooling system with this Chase Bays filler neck that will be welded onto the thermostat. I will be deleting the OEM overflow coolant overflow tank for a nice Mishimoto one. I'll explain that more in depth once I actually have it all mocked up and it's working. Currently my MAF and my new intake are sitting above the car as I'm working on the cooling system. KA Motors intake with the M20 adapter. So this works on E30s and E36s, I believe. I also have the KA Motors headlight delete intake. So that should look really clean with the classic Euro parts front grille. That's about it for the engine bay. Most of the wiring is attached to the engine. Just need to bleed the brakes, bleed the clutch, and that should be good for that, and install the exhaust. Let's take a look at the interior. So for the interior, we got pedal covers in the pedal box finally installed. We got some pedal house pedal covers. They look great. I don't have a dead pedal at the moment. I need to fabricate one, but I'll make a video on that later. As I said last video, the electrical works. Works good. The car at the moment doesn't start as the starter's bad. I got one coming soon. I do have the Condor Speed Shop delete plate that'll go in, so I haven't done that. We got the shifter in. Everything works. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. Wanted to pause the video real quick because I did forget to mention that I upgraded shifter bushings with a Garagistic shifter, Delran shifter bushing kit. Back to the video. It's all good, and I got the Mishimoto Motorsports door cards, which will go in, and I got the rear quarter panels, which are already in. I am making a video, and that will be up either this week or next week. I also got the Brom Racing universal harness bar, which is a tight fit and will need probably some modifications. At the moment, it is held in with a lot of washers. I am probably going to try to develop a plate that will make it sit flush and how it should be correctly, but at the moment, it's solid and not going anywhere. That's about it for the E30 build. At the moment, again, I'll have a video up next Monday as well with more updates, and a video out on Thursday with either the Mishimoto Motorsports door card install or some other video going up Thursday. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Have a great day.